So I taught this strategy that I'm about ready to show you. I taught this DM script to some of my students who are already in my programs, and almost 100% of them got clients. So if you do the work and you do what I'm gonna show you in this very short video, you're gonna get a client this week, and I'm very excited for you. Basically what I'm doing in this video is I'm giving you the exact script that you need to use in order to land clients. I'm literally going to give it to you like a tutorial. So I'm gonna give you step 1, then I'm gonna give you step 2, then step 3. Just follow it, don't overthink it, post it, get your client, okay? We're gonna do this together. The first step that we're gonna do is we're gonna use the Instagram question box. So on your Instagram stories, there's the option to use a question box. I'm gonna pull up the Instagram stories section, and I'm going to take a picture of literally anything. So I will literally just take a picture of me taking a picture. Okay, ta-da. Step 3, you're gonna add the question box and get ready to type what I'm gonna give you, okay? Quick cue is getting XXX. I'll talk about like what that means for you. A now or later thing for you. Now, where I say XXXXX, you fill in the blanks for what you help people do. So I help people get clients and make money. So I'll say, is getting clients a now or later thing for you? One of my students, she helps people get into nursing school. So maybe we say like, is becoming a nurse a now or later thing? Or is getting a 6-pack a now or later thing for you? You get the idea. Step 6 is you're gonna add text below this and say type now. All this does is just prompt the people who actually wanna get clients now, or lose weight now, or get into nursing school now. It just is a second prompt to take that action. Step 7, you're gonna post it. And that is all. Now, what's gonna happen is people will start replying to your question box with things like, yes, I wanna get clients, or now I'm ready to start losing weight now. They're gonna start replying to your question box right away. And here's something that I just learned recently with my students doing all this together. Instagram shows your stories to more followers when you use a poll or a question box. So even if your stories don't typically get a lot of views, when you use these sticker features, they get pushed out to more people. And then as soon as one person answers yes or no in the question box, Instagram sends it out to even more people. So it creates this like ripple effect where a lot more people than usual see your stories, and this creates white hot leads. These people who are saying, yes, I need to get clients now, or like, yes, I'm ready to take whatever you do now. These are your white hot leads. What you're gonna do once these people say yes or now, you're gonna reply to them, you're gonna tell them about what it looks like to work with you, how much you charge, you're just gonna give them the details, and typically about 1 in 5 is gonna turn into a client. You might be thinking though, okay, what exactly do I need to say though in order to turn these question box people into clients? That's what a lot of my students had similar questions. They're like, what do we say? We got all these people saying, okay, I wanna know more, and what do I do? So I put together a resource, all my scripts that I use specifically with turning these random leads into actual clients. I put it together and I call it my ultimate make sales in your inbox, because you're turning these random people into clients in your Instagram inbox. Right now, it's $24, and you're also gonna get 23 other business courses. So it's my 24 courses for $24 pack. I shared in another video, but recently we had a student, she made $2,000 just from this 24 courses that she bought for $24. So she turned $24 into $2,000 with what I taught her, which I feel is a great return on your investment. If you wanna get a copy of those scripts, you can just check out the link in the description, and I'll see you in the next video.